Hey traders, it's September 9th, Tuesday or Wednesday, I'm sorry, and I just want to show you the results from the True Trader scanner chat room. And also, this is my personal trading view alerts. So at around 6 minutes after market open, I took TRIL long right near the bottom. So the bottom was at 1284. I took it at 1291 right here. And I sold it right around VWAP. As you can see here, I tried hanging on to it a little longer, but I got kind of spooked out, so I sold the rest in the next minute. So all out, $177, just over 10 minutes and 27 seconds. So that was a great morning. Again, True Trader teaches you how to trade within the first hour, and then you're out for the rest of the day. So I usually take 1 to 2 trades a day. And then I just get in and out. So I have a full review of True Trader. I'll put it up in a card in the top right. And also that video explains to you my full take on True Trader, but also some bonuses that you will get if you sign up with my link. So thanks and have a great day.